Now for number 3, reviewing the income statement. Remember, revenue minus expenses is profit or loss. This is the time where you want to review those margins. Are you actually setting up pricing to reflect the return that you're expecting? Are your spending practices what they should be with regard to production of your product, delivery, how you manage the day-to-day operations of your business? This is a really good time to identify cause and effect. Understanding what is the expectation for your industry, what is the expectation for organizations of your type regarding quality, delivery, expectation, customer satisfaction. So once again, asking yourself, are you running your business day to day as an ally to get you one step ahead? Are you running your team day to day? Are you running yourself day to day as an ally to get your organization where you need it to go? Or are the day-to-day struggles like parasites eating away at your margin and the viability and sustainability of your business? This is so interesting because you're progressing towards something new. I love it. Okay. In terms of margins, you want to ask yourself now, can I list one thing that I can do to improve? With regard to sales performance, who should I be reconnecting with? With regard to spending practices, what are 1 or 2 things that I can do differently? Taking the time to do this analysis once again brings you right back to those customer and those vendor relationships. Strong relationships, respect and camaraderie, where you understand what they stand for, they understand what you stand for, is so key, because at the end of the day, things at times will get rough, and you can essentially build strong relationships which will allow for further sustainability.